Hey guys, well, I'm out here at Turkey Creek and Black Cat again, and I just pulled up a nice one. It just dropped out of the bank, and it's got a nice sharp tip. Look, oh my goodness, that thing is super thin. Wow, it's got a sharp tip, needle tip, and it's super thin. Let me get all this mud off here so you can see it better. Oh boy. Wowzers. This spot is definitely turning out to be a really good spot. I've only been digging this site for maybe, well, I started at the end of the year last year. Didn't really find a whole lot then, but I've been kind of pinpointing the good parts of it. And boy, let me tell you what, it's paying off. I found that Searcy yesterday, and they're all so deep too. Look how thin that is, guys. That's a wafer. That's a nice one. Woo-wee! Yeehaw! Made out of some good material. It's got a little bit of a nick out there. I don't know if they, well, yeah, I'd say that's definitely a nick. Just a little nick out of the edge right there. Otherwise, it almost been perfect. Alright guys, well, I'm going to get off here, conserve some battery. Hopefully I got more to come. Take it easy.